Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Money. In today's video, we are going to discuss an important aspect of Forex trading, which is support and resistance. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding these key concepts can greatly enhance your trading strategy. Support and resistance are fundamental concepts in technical analysis that help us identify potential price levels where a currency pair might change direction. So, what is support? Support levels are the areas where the price has historically had difficulty falling below. They often correspond to areas where buying interest is strong, causing the prices to bounce back up. In short, the support acts as a floor that prevents a price from falling further. Now, what is resistance? Resistance levels are the opposite. They are the zones where the price has historically struggled to rise above. These levels signify areas where selling pressure increases, causing prices to bounce back down. In short, resistance acts as a ceiling that keeps a price from rising higher. It is important to understand the support and resistance levels, as these levels can help traders make more informed decisions. These levels provide insights into the market sentiment, helping traders predict potential price movements and manage risk. Remember that successful trading requires practice and continuous learning. So stay tuned for more informative videos right here on Smart Money.